It's May 19th, 2020, 1:16 a.m. I'm Joe 753, President of Zoll Incorporated, running for President of the United States. For the last month or so, I've been making a ultraviolet pathogen killer face mask due to the coronavirus pandemic. I'm going to assemble this. Let me show you the parts first. You got the main unit, which is 4 ultraviolet C 280 nanometer LEDs attached to a heatsink. This is a pretty difficult part to make. It gets screwed to that, which is the main reflector plate. Then there's this, which is the parabolic reflector, and then there's the top baffles. And let me just put it together. Alrighty then. Just drops right in there like that. Put this here cheer on this. A little hard to handle these 256 screws. Fingernails help. Got 2 smaller ones that go in here, but they're so small that they're hard to handle, so in the interest of brevity, I'll skip those for now. So there's your main unit. This is the bottom screen. It's got cloth between very fine mesh stainless steel and then bigger mesh screen that keeps any debris from getting to you. Hopefully the ravaged bodies of the horrible coronavirus. And this just slides in here like this, and stack the top baffle reflector assembly up and slide it into the slot. That's what she said. And the top screen, which keeps bugs and larger debris out, keep it from messing up the whole unit. Yeah. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yes, it is. Right. Tinny. I like the way this turned out. Little grippers there. Here's the old LED assembly. Obviously I don't have any kind of heatsink on it really, and they burnt out in no time, and they would have burnt out anyway because the LEDs appear to pull amperage and go out of control, run amok and burn out. I actually wired one of them up, ran it on 4 D cells. I had a big copper plate on it and stuck it in water, and it lasted an hour, and that's only at it was like 5.5 volts it was registering, and it still burnt out. So obviously you can't just rely on trying to pull heat out of it and it'll still live. So Jonathan Stark of Cold Logics Industries is going to be making me a what did he call it? Amperage limiter. I think he called it an amperage limiter. I don't know electronics, so that's why I'm not making it myself. I might try if he gets too busy. I don't know. Anyway, that's it.